Ano na yung suso ko?
Bakit ba sang?
Yung suso mo saan?
Alin?
Joke lang.
Walang sound yung video natin.
Wala sounds yung video.
May sounds yan.
Honey, get off the phone.
Tinatakbo mo si Princess kung mag-isa dyan.
Yeah.
Empty.
Hindi ako matatalo. Kasi meron ako mga alahan.
Ano mo po?
May loko. May wallet.
You want?
Okay, tomorrow night clubbing. You're still not going home.
This off so weak now, man.
How is it? Clubbing tomorrow.
Hey, I'm going home on Wednesday. This is going home.
Come back na next week.
Oh, are you free for the whole week?
No, I'm working, but
Yes,
Oh, I'm gonna be left here alone.
Ouch.
Count myself. 1, 2, 3.
Ganito po ka dito sa family ngayon.
she's here.
Oh my God!
This one doesn't work.
My turn!
It's our housewife.
Ang bato.
I think. Did you get a job? Wait.
Round up.
Sabay ko na ng round card natin.
Wala ka muna!
Ang tagaling.
One down!
Ang tagaling. Round one. Ang puta, ilang minuto na.
What are you doing? This is not a strip club!
It's a whole club.
What? Why are we taking kickboxes?
Oh yeah.
You wanna say something?
No.
Gotcha!
I don't know fun with a girl. I don't fight with a girl. Hey, what's your problem?
Nanilita ko sa akin.
Sabi mo, pare!
Boobs!
Pare! Sabi mo, pare, nakakalaki ka na.
Nakakalaki ka na.
Wait lang, tinignan ko ha. I have a look first. Gone missing.
Meron ako.
Or lakas! Makakali lang tayo. I don't give a damn.
It's not
Hindi ko pinakamatanda dito kasi mo ko gulo.
Really?
Maybe tayo.
17 lang ako eh.
Patay ka 15 ako. Umiinom ako.
Sumoy ka na.
Ako ba natin nga lang. 15 anyos umiinom?
Okay lang.
Ako grade 5 ako, umiinom na ako eh. Pero ano yun, isang bote lasing na ako.
Okay. You know what?
Oh.
I'm gonna get her to come now.
Oo nga.
Uy, da.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Sakay na to.
Mayroon sa polis yun.
Hindi lang pulis yan.
Yes. You think you can help?
Ano yan eh, investigador? With the light, interrogating.
Naka-video ba yan? Record?
Wala na yan.
I-record nyo.
Pakita mo yan?
Let's go clubbing. I'm fired.
Okay. 2 minutes. If they're not here, they have a bell shut. Yeah? 2 minutes from now, if this song is over.
O, karasan nyo.
If the song is over, right?
Okay.
Yeah, fast forward.
Hey, we've got 5 seconds left.
Record.
Yay! Well done. Tayo na, si Bakla naman wala kayo.
Let's go clubbing.
Ay, nakin na.
I will go clubbing. You're 18.
I'm
Yes, you're 18. I'm 19. Thank you.
Wow.
I'm not.
I can get a 21 and you can use it.
I'm 19.
Ay, nakikita ko sa webcam yung ano ko. Konting taas pa, tol.
Quiet na, quiet. Ako ma-arrest ko.
Fuck.
Shit! Bloody hell!
Ready na?
Wait. Okay.
Kidat ba yun? Kidat yung doble mo. Kasi parang sa akin mo.
I arrest you.
Over.
Fucking. Sino sa kayo?
Oh, buti na. Kinidlatan ko rin siya. Sino alas?
Look, where is it?
Sino alas ba? Tapos sila. Pinagtamarong pa ako. Mag-ay, tingnan nyo! isa.
Sino nagbigay ng bara?
Si Byron. Oy, si Precious.
Yung man.
Tandaan ka, no?
Kaya pala sabi ni Bakla, kung sino kuminat sa akin, doblehin para panalo ka. Kikinat ako sana siya si Precious ka lang. Si Byron, hindi ko na.
Natakot ako kay First. Sabi
Okay,
ko
so
sa
Pepsi.
Killer na ba?
Banding ka ha.
Unlike,
Nakita ko mindat eh.
Ay, ako siya.
alam ko paano ka alas ka kasi nakaganon sa akin siya.
Pero killer na ba?
Dino, queen siya.
Kasi ano, kumindat ka sa kanya tapos hindi siya...
Uy, hindi ka kumindat. Sabi ko, kumindat ako sa kanya.
Yun, yun yung nakita ko kasi.
Eh, hindi na nakita. Alam ko nakita ko
Nakita ko
yun.
kasi
Eh, una ko pinita to si Bakla eh. Tapos sabi, kung kindat man yun, ulitin mo. Panalo ka sabay ay, sabay manda ka. Natakot ako. Si Precious na lang.
Parang kahapon, kikinat ako. Tapos ako nagre-react. Kinat pala yung totoo.
Killer pala siya.
Bakala ko, joke
Game
eh.
na, game na.
You were laughing, you can understand together.
No?
But you were laughing.
She can understand. I can see everybody else is laughing. That's why I'm laughing.
What if I'm talking about you and you were laughing?
Having a bad day. Right.
No,
I won't do that. I won't do that, don't worry.
Ano yan?
Na-understand. Yun.
No? I know!
See? I got you! You're
You said more than
guilty!
English.
Guilty!
You said more than English.
There's a jury on the judge, you're guilty!
Nag-react ka kasi.
She said full in English.
Sabi mo kasi, dapat
You said nakaka-understand. Full, and you said yes.
All I heard is full. See, it's a guess. Yeah, educated.
No, they were reacting.
Educated. Oh, namin na lahat.
Alas pa
I arrest you! Ha! I see you wink at me.
Oh,
Very nice. You like me. Mamaya si Kuya D, kakanta na naman yan.
Huwag yung natingin.
Ay, sabi niya, siya daw huling matutulog eh.
Naku, pinauna. Humihilik pa, sabi
See? That was playing Tagalog! No!
Sabi ka siya!
That was playing Tagalog, you understand?
Dito sa kay Magic Crystal.
Oh, game, 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 game.
Is that 5P? I'll buy the one.
Papi. Actually,
Ano, naka-record?
Ah.
Ay, hindi pa rin huminto. Nakalagay stop recording eh.
Stop ko na.
Stop mo na.